Hey guys, I want to thank you for taking this course. I really believe that you are going to find it very useful and funny. No matter why you're taking this course, whether you want to be admired by people, which is normal by the way, to feel smart for having this new skill, or to have a better social life, the bottom line is that you want to improve yourself and your life. So that is awesome. That's something to be proud of because the reason why you're doing it is going to get you to the end. Now, that reason is important for me as well, and I really want to know what motivates you so intensely. And because I want to support you in every possible way, if you have any question for me along the way, then throw that in the questions box as well. I'll read every single one of them, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. You can also tell me a joke you love and make me laugh. I don't mind. And you know what? If you do so, I will give you a 95% coupon code to any of my other courses as a gift. Simply submit your joke to the discussion section, and don't forget to mention what of my other courses you're interested in. So the first thing I always recommend to people is that you should take this course in at least 1 week. Only take a week to learn it. And this is because it's all about getting started. This course is about 1 to 1.5 hours long and includes several rules that you should follow to enhance your sense of humor. Putting at least 1 hour a day to work on each will show you that it's easy and that you can get impressive results. And it will prevent you from procrastinating or even forgetting about this course entirely. In fact, I believe that a person's ability, your ability to apply, is even more important than the course at hand. Knowing what works is one thing, and applying what works is another. If you don't take action every time you listen to something new, you will find yourself, at the end of this course, saying, wow, that's a lot of work to do, and you will most likely take no action. You need and must look for fast results. I'll tell you something, and it's my first rule at learning anything. Whenever I'm learning something new, I go all in with 100% of my attention until I'm past the fear zone. I don't care if I'm stuck or having problems. I will find something I can do about the new skill I'm trying to learn. And bam! I keep doing it over and over until I'm grabbing it from the throat. If I'm taking a course like this one, I will find a formula or two and keep working on them for a week or two, even if I feel I'm still lacking the creativity at the beginning. I would find a good joke site or gather the jokes in this course and start writing them myself. Every day for 20 minutes, I would go and open a Word folder and type the jokes I'm reading. It's better than doing nothing. And guess what? After a few hours of doing so, my mind will start figuring out the tricks and patterns that work, and I will start developing my own stuff. Just do this. Whenever you're learning something new, be willing to go with your full capacity, at least until you grab something out of it. And believe me, once you start winning and once you start feeling good about yourself, you will keep the things that improve your self-esteem and bring you results. And it won't look like work anymore.